video, we are going to be assembling the main elements that we need for our logo. Those elements are three things. First, the name of our company. Second, a graphic element or icon. And third, the background shape for our logo. So let's go ahead and start just by cleaning up this workspace. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of this themes panel. So I'm going to click there to get rid of the themes panel. Now we're going to add a blank slide to work in. So go on up to the plus button, but go to new slide, drop down arrow, and choose blank. And then select the first slide, which is the title slide, and just hit the delete key on your keyboard to get rid of that slide because we don't need it. Okay, now we're ready to start adding the elements. So the first thing we want to add is the name of the company. So choose the text box tool, and then just click somewhere in the middle of the slide and type the name of your company. I'm just going to put in Moonrush because I don't want to put the whole like Moonrush Tours. I just want Moonrush. I think that's more kind of represents my brand a little bit better, but entirely up to you. Okay, so now we've got the name of the company in. The next thing is an icon or graphical element. So go ahead and click the link in the top right hand corner of the video right now. That will bring you to a slide deck that looks like this, where you have 3 slides of different types of icons that you can choose from. Go ahead and look through all of these. The reason we have included these is because these shapes allow you to edit them a little bit in Google Slides, whereas if you just Google a random image, it won't really let you edit it in Google Slides. So go ahead and look through all the available graphics and find something that represents kind of the brand that you think you want your tour company to have. I'm just going to do something simple. I'm going to grab this kind of asteroid image, so I'm going to copy that. To do that, go to Edit and Copy, and then go back to your logo design slide file and go to Edit and Paste. Now we've got the icon, we've got the title, and last thing we need is the background shape. So when you think about icons that you see on, for example, your phone, all the different apps, they either fit in a square or a circle. So I'm going to choose a circle. It's up to you what you want to do. So to find the shape, go to the Shape menu, go to Shapes, and then either choose the rectangle if you want to do a square, or the circle if you want to do a circle. I'm going to choose circle. And for the circle, if you just click and drag, you'll see you're actually making an oval. To make it a perfect circle, hold the Shift key while you drag, and that will kind of keep it as a perfect circle. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag an oval shape that takes up a good chunk of the screen, and I'm just going to drag that over so we can see everything. Okay, title, icon, background shape. We are all set to move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.